Hello and
Welcome.
welcome. If you use the internet, there are certain things you should never click because they can lead to scams, viruses, or stolen information. Today, I'm going to walk you through 5 things you should avoid so you can stay safe and feel more confident online. Let's get started. The first thing you should never click is a suspicious link in an email. If you receive an email from a company you don't recognize, or even one you do, but something feels off, do not click the link. Instead, go directly to the company's website to check your account. The second thing to avoid is pop-ups that say you've won a prize. If a message says something like, "You've won a gift card," or "Click here to claim your reward," do not click it. These are almost always scams designed to trick you. The third thing you should never click is an attachment from someone you don't know. Even if the message looks official, attachments can contain harmful software. If you're not expecting it, don't open it. The fourth thing to avoid is a message telling you to update your device or software immediately. Scammers often create fake update buttons that look real. Never click update links from emails or pop-ups. Instead, go directly to your device settings or official website. The fifth and most important thing to avoid is any message asking for your personal information. This includes passwords, social security numbers, banking information. No legitimate company will ask for this through email or messages. If this feels like a lot to remember, that's okay. You're learning something new, and every step you take helps protect you. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more simple and safe technology tips designed just for you. You deserve to feel confident online.